Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Look what I got in the
What you
mail.
got for
Our
us?
Universal Yums box.
What?
Yes. So Universal Yums reached out to us, and
Colorful.
we got Spain.
Clues that are in here so you can fill it out and give your
This
honest opinion
is
about it.
cute, babe. This is really cute. And then what is this? This is like a little booklet. And it just kind of tells you, okay, some little phrases in Spanish, like ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, me too.
Muy bien. Te amo.
Me?
Sí. It has little trivia questions in there, and it gives you a guide about the candy. Oh, cool. Okay. So let's just go down the list. Is that okay?
Sure, whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
I'm down for it.
Let's just go down the list. So it says, let's get started. So the first one is white chocolate and caramel candies. So
Well, let's give it a try.
white chocolate candy with caramel flavor. Okay. Let's open it.
I like caramel. It's like a Skittle.
Here, show yours. It looks like
Or M&Ms.
like an M&M, right? It looks like an
M&Ms.
M&M. Okay.
Ready? I like it.
That's good. Ooh,
Not,
no.
not too sweet, but
I
still
like
good.
that. I would say 10 out of 10. Those are good. Okay. Honey butter flavored corn pops. And it's all in Spanish. But I know that this says no gluten. And I'm not sure what this says. But yup. Yup.
It's like a.
Yup.
You gotta talk about it.
It's like a Cheeto. It's like a white cheddar Cheeto.
You're right.
It's just like a white cheddar cheese. But it's kind of sweet too, though. You taste
I
that?
taste the butter.
It's kind of something.
Honey butter.
The honey.
Honey butter. That's the
Mhm.
sweetener of it. Of the honey. Y'all see how she snatched it from me?
I was gonna say, you can get one more.
Now you want to give me a little bit.
Okay. This is the pistachio flavored toffee.
That's interesting.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh, it's not horrible. It don't taste bad at all.
It tastes like something I've tasted before.
I think that's what
man.
we're trying to do. We're trying to find some relation to it. Not bad at all.
I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Show it better. Show it. Show it. Show it.
Fried egg and sea salt flavored chips.
Oh, yes.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Fried egg and sea salt.
I feel like it's gonna stink.
Real hard to open.
Immediately.
Give me a second.
I want to
Give me
smell
a second.
it.
Give me a
I
second.
need to smell it
I
now.
need food. Yeah.
I need to smell it now.
Oh. It literally tastes like a fried egg.
It's like,
That's weird.
yo, it tastes like somebody.
Yeah. I don't know about this one.
0 out of 10.
It's a
No.
fried egg.
Ugh, it's in my nose.
Let's go. Let's keep going. What else we got? This one.
Oh, am I saying that wrong? Please, please don't eat me up in the comments. Con huitos? I don't know.
You see, I ain't gonna sit here and fall for that. So
I feel like I'm saying it right. Because I just downloaded Duolingo and I did the little assessment and it bumped me up to a level 28. So,
from what, a 5?
stop. You start at 0. You have to work your way.
Oh.
Yes, but because I'm so fluent, they bumped me up to a 28.
I bet you I could take that test and be way higher than you. Watch me. I'm stuck in this. All right, there we go.
Let me try. Let's try.
All right, it's in the little wrapper here.
Yeah, so it actually comes 2 in a pack.
That what it is?
Oh, yeah. Wait, what is that treat that we eat that has peanut butter in it just like that? A Nutty Buddy bar! That tastes like a Nutty Buddy bar. This is from one of Spain's top candy makers. So, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Let me see.
Oh, that's a 10.
What's what it look like? What it taste like? Okay.
Y'all remember the The sour apple licorice strings. Well, not licorice string, but the sour apple strings at the movie theaters. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting one of those.
Sour. They're sour. Chocolate pine nut candies. These are made from an 80-year-old recipe in Spain. It tastes like struggle. I'm not. Oh, let's see what they look like. Oh, they smell good. What's the flavor again? Lemon and pepper. Oh, lemon pepper chips. Why did it just click that these are lemon pepper chips? First of all, look at how big the chip is. And it look, is it good? My mouth watering. Let me try. Hold on.
I'll mess with these.
It's so good, gave me chills, y'all. Lemon pepper.
They done messed up now, Ron.
They're light. They're citrusy. They are crunchy. Okay.
Cocoa dust.
Oh, smell that.
Hershey, there we go.
But not like,
They are rich,
yeah, very rich.
but they are not too sweet. Okay.
Now, this is weird.
This is
I'm
spicy
nervous
mango.
about this. Spicy mango.
Spicy mango flavored gummies. It says Spain's fruitiest, fieriest gummy candy. And that's what it looks like. They're soft and squishy. Again, oh, it's shaped like a little mango, baby. Beep, beep,
You
beep,
can
beep.
smell.
It smells like mango juice. Damn! I've got punched in the mouth. Oh.
They lame. They said for those who can't take a lot of heat, don't worry.
Ooh. Yo.
I don't want my other half.
No. I got a little spice to it.
Yeah. So, what would you rate this box, babe, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think it touches everything for everybody. You know, it has a little something that you may like as far as
Yeah.
sweet. Definitely with the
Salty,
salty, heat,
Savory,
sour. So-
rich. It had everything. It had texture, crunch. We got crunch. We got soft. We got melty, chewy.
Definitely a nice mixture of, like I said, everything. So
That was awesome. I would give
Versatility.
Universal Yums a 10 out of 10. I definitely
Yeah.
want to try again.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
Absolutely. So if you guys want to try Universal Yums yourself, definitely head over to universalyums.com, or you can look on my TikTok and I'll link Universal Yums in my bio. But other than that, go get you some. What you waiting for?
What she said.
Go get you some. Kisses. Let me get some more of those lemon peppers.
All right. Where the sour things at?